Hi students, today we are going to discuss about 6th standard second term lesson 3 history part from chiefdoms to empire. From chiefdoms to empires. From chiefdoms to empire. Okay. We are going to discuss some interesting learning object from this lesson. Okay. 1. The rise of Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. To know the factors responsible for the rise of Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. 2. To understand the evolution of Indian polity from chiefdoms to kingdoms. Chiefdoms to kingdom. Third one, to recall the greatness of Mauryan Empire. Greatness of Mauryan Empire. Then, to learn the main features of the administration and the nature of the society and economy during that period. Economy during that period. Then, to gain the knowledge on Ashoka's policy of Dharma. Ashoka's policy on Dharma. And last, to examine the causes for the decline of Mauryan Empire. To examine the causes for the decline of Mauryan Empire. These are the learning objectives we are going to discuss. Then now, importance of 6th century. Importance of 6th century. In the last video, we have discussed about Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. In this video, we are going to discuss about 16 Mahajanapadas. 16 Mahajanapadas, great countries. So here we are going to discuss the first thing. The 16 Mahajanapadas dotted the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Indo-Gangetic Plain. In the 16th century BC. Okay. It was a transition from a semi-nomadic kingship. Semi-nomadic kingship. A based society to an agrarian society with networks of trade and exchange. Then, hence an organized and a strong system of governance required a centralized state apparatus. Do you know, children, the 16 Mahajanapadas, the name of the 16 Mahajanapadas? The 16 Mahajanapadas, great countries. Guru, Panchala, Anga, Magadha, Baji, Malla, Kasi, Kosala, Avanti, Chedi, Vasta, Mancha, Surasena,
Asaka, Gandhara and Kamboja. These are the 16 Mahajanapadas. And there were 4 major Mahajanapadas. They were Magadha in Bihar, Avanti in Ujjain, Kosala in eastern Uttar Pradesh, and Vatsa in Kausambi near Allahabad. These are the 4 major Janapadas. Among the 4 Mahajanapadas, Magadha emerged as an empire. Now, the causes for the rise of Magadha. 1. Magadha was located on the lower part of the Gangetic Plain. The plain was fertile, which ensured the rich agricultural yield. This provided regular and substantial income to the state. So, this is the first cause. Next, the thick forests supplied timber for construction of buildings and elephants for army. Next, abundance of natural resources, especially iron, enabled them to equip themselves with weapons made of iron. Then, growing trade and commerce facilitated movement of people as well as settlement of people in centers of art and crafts. And the outcome was urbanization and emergence of Magadha as an empire. So, these are the very important cause for the rise of Magadha. So, Magadha is a very important empire in the ancient period. Next, we are going to see another important ancient Magadha dynasties. Thank you.